Alright, CB Siren Productions. I'm going to be running your Model 2 on an 18-volt drill battery. Let's see how loud it really sounds with 18 volts. Alright. 3, 2, 1. That's a growl. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, something happened. Uh-oh, fail. A fail happened. Something happened to your siren. Uh-oh. So if I just start it up, what will it sound like if I just start it up like this? Give me a second, let's see if it still works. Nope. It's kind of fallen off. Damn it. I gotta redo everything all over again. I'll fix it. After a long time, I finally got the motor replaced. It's a brand new motor. It's more stronger. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Let me just run it up for you really quick. It's gonna be even more louder because I'm running it on 18 volts instead of 12 volts. So someone's calling me. All right. It's gonna be pretty loud because it's 18 volts, not 12 volts. In 3, 2, 1. That's pretty loud. Also, I am making a weather probe. Here's the wind vane. So this is going to be the wind vane. The anemometer is going to be right here. And then I'm going to see if I can add a rain gauge somewhere down here. Or somewhere up here. Maybe possibly move this more down here. But right now it's just going to be the wind vane and the anemometer.